Hi friends, in this video we'll be making a healthier version of the chicken strips and chips that you just saw in the previous two pictures. So come along with me and let's get started. Alright, got the potatoes all cut nice and thin, and I just tossed them in a little olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and spread them out on the parchment paper right now. Alright, got them all breaded and time to put them in the oven. It's going to be really good. In the oven they go.